man came in last night at 12 o'clock. It's almost 12 now. And the thing's been snoring like that 12 fucking hours. Hey, listen. He's emptying himself, watch no light. Take another go on, boss, go on. Some case of emphysema, I'd say. Go on. Go on. Here you go. Go on. It's like a cartoon. Come on, Babla. Give the thing a bit of a rest, Babla. Some dose, boys. I'm getting too old for this shit.